isn't it? Well, what kind of intelligence is that? Isn't it? No one knew until Rupa Goswami came. He gave that intelligence. Isn't it? He explained by which kind of intelligence you can go and serve Krishna in the topmost place. Because Krishna, he has many, many different manifestations. Narayan, isn't it? Dasavatar is there, isn't it? We were singing about that. Yeah, we were singing. No, that's about, yeah. Anyway, we see that many incarnations are there. Kurma, Varaha, Balaram, or different, what else? Parashuram, Kalki, Buddha. And many, there's 6 types of avatar. Yeah, many different avatars. But Krishna, original, only one. Who that Krishna is, then Rupa Goswami, he explained. He explained many things. Rupa Goswami, mainly, what he established was this. He prepared everything. He made everything. He gave all kinds of moods. He explained those moods. But why, I was thinking today, why are those things important for us? Yeah? Why are those, very complicated? This mood, that bhav, this bhav, many things. But how important is it for us? Oh, very important. Because without those specific moods, then our bhakti cannot please Krishna. Even though we might think this bhakti is very far, I cannot attain that now. It's not for me now. I can't attain that now. I'm very far. When I come to that point, then I can start hearing about that. But Rupa Goswami is saying no. Rupa Goswami, he gave the essence of all instruction. He said, without moods, you should live in Braj. You should associate with someone who's he's completely saturated with that mood. What kind of mood? Oh, the mood of Parakya. Isn't it? This mood of Parakya is topmost. One lady was here the other day. We were talking. And then we were saying to her that the highest moods in Golok Vrindavan are the lowest moods here. If a married woman goes with another man, this is very low class, isn't it? In society won't look at that. And, maybe in modern society one might think that will be accepted, but no, isn't it? No, that's actually not accepted. If you see, when something like that happens, everyone's like that, isn't it? Society naturally rejects that. So this mood here, because this mood is not, there's no foundation for that mood. So Rupa Goswami, he explains. Before this, everyone would look at these moods and would very much, reject. They couldn't understand the nature of that kind of relationship with Krishna. Parakya means that many different meanings. Yeah, but for example, Shri Krishna, before they couldn't conceive the understanding that Krishna and Radha were not married. But how could they be performing sweet pastimes together if they were not married? Isn't it? And this is very degraded. But Rupa Goswami said, no, this is a topmost mood. Why? Because who is Shrimati Radhika? Who are the expansions of Shrimati Radhika? They are the Swarup Shakti. They're not different from Krishna. Actually, the essence of Krishna. So his Swarup Shakti takes that form to satisfy his desires. Isn't it? So if Krishna manifests, isn't it? And if Krishna has another form, what's it called that? Radha Krishna Pranavlikiti Hladini Shakti Asmat Ekatmanavapi Bhuvi Pura Deha Vedam Gatoto. They're not two, they're one. But now they become two to perform pastimes. So Rupa Goswami, he explained, who is that Shrimati Radhika? Who are those gopis? They're the Swarup Shakti of Krishna. No one said that before. When Mahaprabhu, he was, one time Mahaprabhu, he was absorbed in